Now that we have our track sitting well on this beat, we need to remove some unwanted frequencies like the low end, the nasal mode frequencies, and the harsh high end. So we'll remove some low frequencies in the low end of the lead vocals.
Niggas, who them other niggas, who them other niggas. Ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better. Who them other niggas, who them other niggas, who them other niggas. Ain't no niggas, who them other life. When I'm better, I know what's on your mind. Girl, let's get comfortable. You know that I'm for real. You know that I'm for real. I hold you down for life. I hold you down for life. When I'm done with you, you better. Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better. Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better.
Alright, so we took out the low frequencies and now we'll take out the nasal mid frequencies, because this can be very problematic in mixing, especially when the artist is singing more of the mid-range and high notes. So taking out the nasal frequencies can really make the vocal sound even cleaner and sit properly more in the mix. So to take out the nasal frequencies, you simply get a bell, you pick up some regions in the mid frequencies, you sweep across to find those nasal frequencies, and then you drag it down till it's out, just a little bit down like this, and it will take out some nasal frequency. You can do for like 2 or 3 bands. Most times 2 bands is enough, but you can do it for 2 or 3 bands in the mid frequencies and it will be just fine. So let's see how that sounds like when we get it done in our vocal track.
Better, ain't nobody better. Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better. Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better. Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better. Girl, let's get comfortable. Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? You know that I'm for real. I hold you down for life. I hold you down for life. When I'm done with you, you know that I'm for real. I hold you down for life. I hold you down for life. When I'm done with you, you'll be calling in the morning, early in the morning. I hold you down for life. I hold you down for life. When I'm done with you, you'll be calling in the morning, early in the morning. Girl, you be calling.
Alright, so that's how to take out the nasal frequencies in your lead vocals. And next we'll listen to the high end and see if it's too sharp or if it's too dull. If it's too sharp, you cut the high end, and if it's too, let me pull up the EQ. Yeah, so if it's too sharp, you cut the high end just a little like this, and if it's too dull, you raise it up a little, you boost, so you can have some more life, some more shine in the high end. So let's see what we can do with this vocal. Let's listen and see if we need to cut or boost.
I hold you down for life. I hold you down for life. Girl, let's get comfortable. You know that I'm for real. You know that I'm for real. I hold you down for life. I hold you down for life. When I'm down, niggas, who them other niggas? Who them other niggas? Ain't nobody better. Ain't nobody better. Ain't no Niggas, who them other niggas, who them other niggas? Ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better. Who them other niggas, who them other niggas, who them other niggas? Ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better. I know what's on your mind, girl, let's get comfortable. Niggas, who them other niggas, who them other niggas? Ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better. Who them other.
All right, so that sounds fine. Just having a little boost in the high end, just a slight boost in the high end was really fine. I remember when you have with the same artist taking the same part of a song, you need to EQ it so it sounds relatively close. You don't want to EQ the verse that it sounds off from the bridge or the chorus. You want the EQ settings to be kind of complementary to each other, so it sounds like it's flowing with the other parts of the song. But if there are different artists, then different artists may need different EQ settings, so you can link different artist vocals to different channels on the mixer and EQ them separately, because each vocal has a different characteristics and you need to attend to each of those special characteristics.